If you are a squid lover, you must try this recipe. This is Kerala special squid roast. To start with, I have added some coconut oil and I am adding mustard seeds and curry leaves into it. I have also added 1 dried red chilli along with a teaspoon of ginger and garlic crushed. Then green chilies. Saute this until all the aromas comes out. Now I'm going to add sliced red onions. Along with that, I'm also adding some salt so that the onions get cooked easily. Saute the onions for a few minutes, then I'm adding dry masalas. To start with, turmeric powder, half teaspoon, chilli powder and coriander powder, a tablespoon of each, then half tablespoon of pepper powder and half tablespoon of garam masala powder. Saute until all the raw smell is gone, then add chopped tomatoes. You can roughly chop the tomatoes and add and mix it very well until the masalas are combined. Close it with a lid and cook it for some time. And now I'm going to add cleaned squid rings. Mix the squid along with the masala very well and close it again with the lid and cook for a few more minutes. Then I'm going to add some coconut bit pieces. This will give a really nice flavor to the squid roast. You can add grated coconut instead. Now I'm also going to add a few more curry leaves for extra flavor. Add salt if needed. Simmer the heat and cook until all the water is evaporated. Now the squid roast is ready to be served with your favorite food. If you like this recipe, please try it and let me know your feedback. And also please do not forget to subscribe my channel for more recipes. Thank you.